Good morning, students. Welcome to our physics class. In the previous class, we started a new chapter. Name is electricity. Okay. So, in the previous class, we discussed what is an electric current. Electric current is the flow of charges in a given time. I equal to Q by T. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Ammeter is used to measure the amount of electric current. Okay. So then we discussed what is an electric circuit. Electric circuit is a closed and continuous path of electric current. Electric current flows from positive to negative. Electric charge or electrons flows from negative to positive. Okay. So in today's class, we have to discuss electric potential and potential difference. New term is electric potential and potential difference. What is the meaning of potential? Here is electric potential. We know water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay. If the levels are same, what happens? There is only flow is limited. Okay, flow is limited. But in the case of tank is in a high level, water tank is in a higher level, so water flows to the lower level. Okay. Then water flows from lower level to higher level? No. So this level, higher level is called high potential. Lower level is called low potential. So there is a potential difference. What is the potential difference? It is the difference between higher level and lower level in the case of water flow. Okay. But in the case of electric current flows from higher level to lower level? No. Electric current flows from higher level to lower level and lower level to higher level also. So, what is an electric potential? Electric potential means there is two potential, high potential and low potential. High potential is called positive plus. Low potential is called negative minus. The difference in between electrical pressure is called potential difference. Okay. In the case of electric potential, there are two potentials, higher potential and lower potential. Higher potential and lower potential. From the higher potential to lower potential, electric current flows. So higher potential means plus, lower potential means minus or negative. Okay, so electric current flows from positive to negative. That means electric current flows from higher potential to lower potential. This change in potential is called potential difference. Potential difference means the change in electrical potentials or change in electric pressure, that is called potential difference. Potential difference is represented by a letter V. V is the potential difference. So we can say in the case of water, water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay, high potential, low potential. Okay, so in the case of electric current flows from higher potential to lower potential. The difference in potential is called potential difference. We can explain potential difference as potential difference V equal to potential difference V equal to W divided by Q. This is the equation to find a potential difference. Potential difference is represented by a letter V. V equal to W by Q. So, potential difference is defined as the work done in moving a unit charge from one place to another. That is called potential difference. Potential difference is equal to the work done in moving a unit charge from one place to another place. For example, in the case of a conductor, we take a metallic wire. Okay, metallic wire is a good conductor of electricity. What is meaning of conductor? Conductor means the substances which allows to pass electricity through them. That is called conductors. In the case of conductors, there are charges. Okay. If this metallic wire is connected with a battery or cell, or it is connected with a cell, so this is a metallic wire or metallic conductor or good conductor of electricity. If this conductor is connected with a cell, this cell provides potential difference. Clear? A cell contains higher potential positive and a lower potential negative. When a conductor is connected with a cell, current flows through the conductor. Okay, so current flows through these from positive to negative. So the direction of current is from positive to negative. When a cell or battery is connected to a metallic conductor, current flows from higher potential to lower potential. This work done is called potential difference, or it is called voltage. What is the unit of voltage, or what is the unit of potential difference? Yes, volt is the volt. It is represented by a letter V. Volt is the unit of potential difference or voltage. Potential difference is also called voltage. Clear? So, what is the meaning of 1 volt? So, here 1 volt equal to, what is the unit of work? Joule. 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. This is the definition of 1 volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. 1 volt is equal to the work done of 1 joule to move 1 coulomb charge from one place to another. To move 1 coulomb charge from one place to another place, we have to do work of 1 joule. That is equal to 1 volt. We know electric current is measured using ammeter. So here, which instrument is used to measure the volt or voltage? Yes, voltmeter is used. Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage in an electric circuit. Clear? This is about electric potential and potential difference. Okay, so electric current flows from higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential means positive, lower potential means negative. This potential difference provided by cell or battery or current from generator. Okay, the potential difference is provided by the cell. Combination of cell is called battery or current from the generator. Okay, this provides potential difference. If potential difference is connected to the ends of a conductor, electric current flows from positive to negative or higher potential to lower potential. This is about electric potential and potential difference. Okay, next we can write one question. How much work is done? Question is, how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference of 12 volt. This is the question. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference of 12 volt. So what are the given terms? Q equal to 2 coulomb. Potential difference, that means V equal to 12 volt. We have to find W. What is the equation to find W? So the equation is V equal to W divided by Q. So W equal to Q is multiplied with V. W equal to VQ. VQ. What is the value of V? 12 into 2 equal to 24 joule. Unit of work is joule. So W equal to 24 joule. So using this equation we can find W equal to 24 joule. Clear? Next we can discuss the symbols and electric components and its symbols to form electric circuits. Okay, so we can discuss some electric components and symbols. Component, symbol. First electric component is bulb. Bulb. It is the symbol of the bulb, or this is the symbol of an electric bulb. Next is plug key. Plug key means switch. Okay, switch plug key open or switch open. This is the symbol of switch open. Next, plug key or switch closed. This switch closed. Next is wire joined. One wire, another wire is joined. Okay, this is wire joined. Next, wire without joined. Wire without joined. Next is resistor. The symbol is resistor. Another one, variable resistor. An arrow mark, variable resistor, or variable resistor. So bulb, plug key, switch open, switch closed, wire joined, wire without joined, resistor, variable resistor. Okay. Next component is ammeter. Ammeter. Ammeter is ammeter. Next, voltmeter. Voltmeter. Next one is cell. Cell. Next is battery. Okay, battery. Okay, combination of cell is called battery. These are the some symbols to draw circuit diagram. So first, bulb, plug key closed, wire joined, wire without joined, resistor, variable resistor, ammeter, voltmeter, cell, battery. Okay, now we can construct a circuit diagram using these symbols. Okay, example. Circuit diagram. This is battery. Here is switch. Electric bulb. Ammeter. This circuit, okay, this is called a circuit diagram. What is an electric circuit? It is a closed and continuous path of electric current. Here, ammeter is always connected in series with the circuit. Note the point. Ammeter is always connected in series with the electric circuit. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the electric circuit. Okay. Now here switch is open. Switch is open means switch off. When switch on, what happens? Electric current passes through this electric bulb and electric bulb glows. This is an example for circuit diagram using these symbols. Okay, so here connecting wires are used. Battery, switch, electric bulb and ammeter. Okay, when switch is on or switch is closed or plug key closed, electric current passes through this circuit and electric bulb glows. This type of circuit is called a closed circuit. It is called closed circuit. Switch on, that is called closed circuit. If switch off, that is called open circuit. Clear? So today we can conclude our class. Okay, thank you.